Welcome to Bahia, a state in northeastern Brazil known for its rich culture, history and stunning natural beauty. Join us as we venture into the heart of Bahia's wilderness, exploring its hidden gems, encountering its fascinating wildlife, and discovering the delicate balance of life in this Brazilian paradise.
Bahia's coastline, stretching over 1,100 kilometers along the Atlantic, is a haven for beach lovers and a testament to the raw power and beauty of the ocean. Among Bahia's most famous coastal gems are Praia do Forte, renowned for its tranquil beauty and nesting sea turtles; Itacaré, a surfer's paradise with its powerful waves and bohemian charm; and Morro de São Paulo, a car-free island paradise where life moves at a slower pace. Beneath the waves lies a vibrant underwater world teeming with life. Coral reefs, home to a kaleidoscope of fish, turtles and marine invertebrates, thrive in the warm waters. Protecting this delicate marine ecosystem is paramount, and Bahia is home to several marine reserves, including the Abrolhos National Marine Park. Whether you seek adventure in the waves, relaxation on sun-kissed sands, or a glimpse into the vibrant underwater world, Bahia's coast offers a sensory feast and an unforgettable experience of nature's artistry.
Venturing inland from the coast, we enter the realm of the Atlantic forest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. In Bahia, protected areas like Chapada Diamantina National Park serve as vital sanctuaries for this irreplaceable ecosystem. Here, amidst the lush vegetation, we find creatures as captivating as they are rare. The golden lance-head viper with its brilliant yellow scales is a testament to the power of evolution and the unique adaptations found in this environment. High in the canopy, the golden-headed lion tamarin, a small primate with a flowing mane of golden fur, leaps from branch to branch. The Atlantic forest is a world of hidden wonders, where every step reveals a new marvel of nature.
Deep in the heart of Bahia lies Chapada Diamantina, a land of dramatic landscapes sculpted by centuries of erosion, where towering plateaus give way to deep valleys carved by the relentless flow of water. Capoeira da Fumaca, one of Brazil's tallest waterfalls, plunges 380 meters into a misty gorge, creating a spectacle both awe-inspiring and humbling. The Rio Paraguacu, a lifeline for the region, winds its way through the park, carving deep canyons and creating a tapestry of ecosystems along its banks. Here, amidst the lush vegetation, a wealth of wildlife finds refuge, from brightly colored birds to elusive mammals. Whether you choose to explore its trails on foot, marvel at its waterfalls, or simply soak in the tranquility of its rivers, Chapada Diamantina offers an unforgettable journey into the heart of Bahia's wild beauty.
Chapter 4, Cerrado and Caatinga, Resilience in a Harsh Landscape. Venturing further inland, we leave behind the lush greenery of the Atlantic forest and enter a world of stark beauty and remarkable resilience, the Cerrado and Caatinga biomes. The Cerrado, often referred to as the Brazilian savanna, stretches across central Brazil, covering nearly a quarter of the country. The Caatinga, meaning white forest in the indigenous Tupi language, dominates much of northeastern Brazil, including parts of Bahia. Despite the challenging conditions, both the Cerrado and Caatinga are home to a surprising array of life. These unique biomes, often overlooked in favor of more lush landscapes, are a testament to the adaptability of life and the importance of conserving Earth's diverse ecosystems.
Chapter 5: Ecological Reserves, Guardians of Bahia's Biodiversity. Bahia, with its rich biodiversity and diverse ecosystems, has taken significant steps to safeguard its natural heritage through the creation of ecological reserves and national parks. The Reserva Biológica de Santa Isabel, located on the northern coast of Bahia, stands as a testament to the importance of protecting critical habitats. Further inland, Lagoa do Abaete, a freshwater lagoon separated from the Atlantic Ocean by a narrow strip of sand dunes, offers a glimpse into a unique and fragile ecosystem. These protected areas serve as vital refuges for wildlife, allowing populations to recover and thrive away from the pressures of human activity. By safeguarding these precious areas, Bahia is ensuring that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the wonders of its natural heritage and witness the remarkable resilience of life on Earth.
Chapter 6, A Symphony of Life, Bahia's Wildlife. From the vibrant coral reefs of its coastline to the dry, thorny scrublands of the Caatinga, Bahia resonates with a symphony of life, a chorus of creatures both grand and minute, each playing a vital role in the intricate web of existence. Birdwatchers in particular will find themselves captivated by the sheer diversity of avian life. The black-capped Donocobius, with its haunting song, fills the air with its melody, while the scarlet ibis paints the skies with its vibrant plumage. In the Atlantic forest, monkeys swing through the canopy, while sloths move with their characteristic slowness, perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. Every encounter with wildlife, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of these ecosystems for generations to come.
Bahia's natural rhythms are dictated by the ebb and flow of the seasons, a dance between sun and rain that shapes the landscape and influences the lives of all creatures that call this place home. Its tropical climate, characterized by warm temperatures year-round, creates a haven for life, but also brings with it distinct wet and dry seasons that dictate the patterns of nature. Along the coast, the influence of the Atlantic Ocean moderates temperatures, creating a pleasant year-round climate with average highs ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius or 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Further inland, away from the moderating influence of the ocean, temperatures can be more extreme, with hotter days and cooler nights. The rainy season, typically from November to April, transforms the landscape, bringing life-giving moisture to the parched earth. Understanding these natural rhythms is essential for appreciating the delicate balance of life in Bahia.
In Bahia, the line between nature and culture blurs, woven together in a vibrant tapestry that reflects the deep connection between people and their environment. For centuries, the people of Bahia have lived in harmony with nature, their traditions and beliefs intertwined with the rhythms of the land. Candomblé, a religion practiced widely in Bahia, reveres nature, with deities associated with elements like the ocean, forests, and thunder. Food, too, plays a central role in this cultural expression of nature. From the vibrant colors of their clothing to the rhythms of their music, the people of Bahia celebrate their African roots and their deep respect for the natural world.
Bahia's natural wonders, while resilient, face growing threats from human activity. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion and illegal logging, continues to chip away at the edges of the Atlantic forest and Cerrado, fragmenting habitats and threatening the survival of countless species. Climate change, with its unpredictable rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures, poses another significant challenge. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities and ecosystems, while more frequent and intense droughts exacerbate the already arid conditions in the Caatinga. Conservation efforts led by local communities, NGOs, and government agencies are working tirelessly to protect Bahia's remaining natural habitats, promote sustainable practices, and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. The task is daunting, but the commitment to preserving this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come remains strong.
For those seeking adventure, tranquility, or a deeper connection with nature, Bahia offers a wealth of opportunities to explore its diverse landscapes and experience the magic of its natural wonders. Whether you yearn for the thrill of trekking through rainforests, the serenity of kayaking along peaceful rivers, or the joy of observing wildlife in its natural habitat, Bahia has something to offer every traveler. For the adventurous at heart, Chapada Diamantina National Park beckons with its challenging trails, breathtaking vistas, and refreshing waterfalls. Along the coast, embrace the tranquility of Praia do Espelho, consistently ranked among Brazil's most beautiful beaches. For an immersive cultural experience, venture into the heart of the Recôncavo Baiano, a region rich in history and tradition. Bahia's natural beauty has a transformative power, offering a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the simple pleasures of nature.
In conclusion, Bahia is a state of contrasts and natural wonders, where tropical rainforests, pristine beaches, and dry savannas coexist in a vibrant, rich environment. Let's continue to discover and celebrate the beauty of our planet, one journey at a time.